What's up, YouTube? It's your boy 392Tay, and I'm back with another banger, man. But today, man, we're gonna be installing a Vicrez diffuser for the back of the car, man. I already know. Sheesh. Who takes me? Alright, well, let me show y'all what it looked like right here. I don't know if y'all can really see that, but it's like the little fans. Came with that. And actually, I didn't even buy this, man. The way I got this is my brother was ordering it for his car because he needed a bumper for his back car. But his car, it didn't fit his car, so he gave it to me. So we're gonna go ahead and run it up. But before we get into this video, man, make sure y'all like the video, comment, subscribe, and share this video, man. Road to 2K, let's get it, man. Alright, y'all, I pulled my car up, but let me show y'all the stuff. This is the fins right here. It's low-key easy. One thing you really need is a drill, and that's your bracket right there. But you just attach it to the car like that. Jeez. But I'm getting Jalen to come down here now to come help. It's just so I can make sure that it's even. But like I said, it shouldn't be a hard install, but we're gonna go ahead and see. I'm gonna get back with y'all. So quick update, turns out I gotta pop these clips out under the bumper to take it off so I can drill it in, I guess. But that's why you got your handy kit. This thing do come in useful one day, man. I thought I'd never use it. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when I got the diffuser off. So just tune in. Alright, y'all, quick update. I finally know how to do it some sort of way, but I'm not even gonna lie, man, it took me like 30 minutes just to do this one, but hopefully I should be able to speed it up and get it done with y'all, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what this one looked like. I had to put both sides on the drill. I just got this one drilled through. This one was a pain, man, but I gotta put the nut on that one. Then I just got 4 more, man. Alright, y'all, it's really hot out here, but I'm about to start with this one right here, the end one, and then I'm gonna work from the inside. So I'm gonna get back to y'all. I'm gonna do a little speed. Alright, y'all, back with another quick update. Now I actually have 2 done. I just did the outer ones, but tell me how that was looking, man. Got 3 more to go. And those 3 in the middle, I should be able to knock those out. But once again, man, make sure y'all don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to share this video, man. We're on the road to 2K, man. We trying to, you know, man, we trying to grind, so we're gonna do everything. But sheesh, yeah, view of the whip. Take a little break, man, because when I was doing that, not even gonna lie, on the first one it took me like a whole hour because I didn't know like how to support it, but I got it now. I got it. So basically, you just drill those up, and then you connect it on both sides, make sure it's firm, And you do the same for both, and it comes with nuts to go at the bottom or the back of the screw. But yeah, I'm gonna update y'all probably when I got like my last one done, man. But let's go ahead and get into it. All right, you guys, I'm finally done. Man, what time is it, man? It is currently 1:16. And I got out here at like 10:15, man. I'm not even gonna lie, this was a hard project, but I'm glad I did not quit because it is a good look. I'm not even gonna lie. It is a good look, but I wanna, well, I'm gonna say that for a different video. But I'm gonna just show y'all. But this is the finished product, y'all. I'm not sure, there we go. Jeez. Little diffuser action. But I want to add the parts that go on the other side of the muffler. I had to take those out, so I had to replace them because my old ones didn't want to pop back in. But like I said, this actually was a hard job. It wasn't easy, but I stick to it, man, and I still finished it. But that's gonna be the end of this video, man. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please share the video. Please leave a subscribe if you love the video, if you love my channel. Please leave a like on my videos. Now let's just round everything up, man. Road to 2K, man. The grind don't stop. Here we go. I know y'all ain't think I was gonna let y'all go without letting y'all hear it start up, man. Man, y'all crazy, man. Let's go ahead and get into that, though. Y'all comment down below what video y'all want to see next, and also comment if I did, well, let's rate my first mod. Rate that first mod of 1 to 10, man. And y'all let me know how y'all like it, man. I will always, man, y'all already know the rest, man. We out of here. Road to 2K.